Good morning, my friends. I'm back in a little early today. Going back to the gym. I didn't go last night, so blah blah. Oh, I forgot to put what I ate yesterday for my snack. I ate a yogurt. I'm trying to really not eat any dairy. Dairy is bad. So, just letting you guys know. I'm trying to actually go like on a paleo diet. I think that's what it's called, paleo diet, which mainly you just eat meat, fruits, vegetables. There's no sweets, no beans, no linguines, no anything. If you can drink milk, soy milk is bad for you because they put all these stuff to have it to that. I don't know, to a certain thing. So coconut milk and almond milk is really good for you. So yeah. So I ate ground beef, which ground beef, alright. We had ground beef, so I'm trying to get rid of all the bad food that we have in the house and bring in good food. So chicken. But then I heard now chicken is causing cancer. I myself personally think every food that we eat that is processed is ¿cómo se llama? Les ponen algo to cause cancer. Like, I don't know. Beat me to death if I'm wrong, but I think everything that we eat has something that has and that creates cancer. Why? That's why I think all these vaccines have something to do with it. You know what I mean? I do give my kids their vaccines, but I still think, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not even gonna go there because it's another topic that I don't even want to go into. Y caerles mal a la gente. But anyways, yes, I do think food that we eat that's processed, blah blah blah, it has something in it that is causing people to have cancer. You go to a restaurant and it says whatever we're using, it may cause cancer. You go somewhere, it's causing cancer. Everything's causing cancer. Blah blah. Whatever. So yeah, I ate some ground beef, which was not that lean. So you guys already know how that went. It wasn't that lean. I put my vegetables and I just como picadillo. There you go. I did eat two tortillas, which I feel bad because I'm trying to go on a no carb diet. So those people that are trying to do no carb diet, it's fucking a bitch to drop carbs from one day to the other one. Your body's gonna ask for it. So I did eat two quesadillas. I ate two quesadillas. I ate three tortillas. I was making my kid some. I had some, and then I was eating some for my youngest dad's food. So no, I'm not with him. I'm separated, but he still goes over, and we have a good co-parenting, I guess you can say. But anyway, so I'm going off the subject. And I am pretty good at going off the subject. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna do another hour. I didn't wear my sauna suit because it's just se me hace asqueroso. And I don't know. So basically, I'm gonna be trying to my face looks so long. I'm just gonna be doing cardio. Right now I ate this all seeds protein bar, I guess you could say, which was 200 calories. Beat me. So, ahorita en un chingadazo, in 30 minutes, I'm gonna kill those 200 calories that I ate before coming to the workout. Also, I'm gonna be doing, I think, the elliptical machine that I did yesterday. And yeah, I do like a little bit of workout, and yeah, so yeah. Not like these suck. Oh. Okay, so yesterday I forgot to really tell you guys how my body shape is. So my body shape is, but I am trying to slim down, tone up, and that's my goal, to lose weight and tone up and rebuild myself. So I'll see you guys later.